Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Corner. Today, I want to share something very simple with you, my daily routine. I am Arjun, a second-year college student. My day doesn't start with a sunrise. It starts with a snooze button. It is 6:30 a.m. My alarm is ringing. I think to myself, just 5 more minutes. Do you do that too? We call this procrastinating. Finally, my mom shouts from the kitchen, Arjun, you're going to be late! That is my real alarm clock. I get out of bed, stretch my arms, and head to the bathroom. First thing, brushing my teeth. Then, I splash cold water on my face. It wakes me up instantly. After a quick bath, I see my clothes are already pressed and kept on the bed. Thanks, Mom. By 7:15 a.m., I am at the dining table. In India, breakfast is a big deal. Today, it's hot poha with a bit of lemon. I eat quickly while checking my phone. I know, we shouldn't use phones while eating. But I just want to see if our cricket team won last night. At 8 a.m., I leave the house. I live about 5 kilometers away from my college. I usually take the city bus. The bus stop is a 10-minute walk. While walking, I see the city waking up. The milkman on his cycle, the shops opening their shutters, and other students waiting for their school vans. When the bus arrives, it is already full. We use the word crowded. I have to stand near the door. It is a bit difficult, but I enjoy the breeze. I put on my earphones and listen to some English podcasts. Since you are watching this, you know how important listening is for learning English. I see many types of people on the bus. Some are sleeping, some are reading newspapers, and some are just staring out the window. I reach the college gate at 8:45 a.m. I feel a bit of college tension when I see the watchman looking at his watch. Luckily, I am on time today. My first class is mathematics. Our professor, Mr. Rao, is very strict. If you are even 1 minute late, he will ask you to stand outside. I go to the last row, the famous back bench. Why do we like the back bench? Because we can talk slowly without the teacher noticing. My best friend Rahul is already there. He whispers, Arjun, did you complete the assignment? I realize, I forgot. Now I'm sweating. The lecture goes on for an hour. Sometimes I find it hard to concentrate. My mind wanders. I start thinking about what's for lunch. Does this happen to you in meetings or classes? We call this daydreaming. Between classes, we have a small 10-minute break. We rush to the corridor just to stretch our legs and wave at friends from other departments. The college atmosphere is so full of energy. Everyone is talking, laughing, and complaining about the exams. Now, the best part of the day, lunch break. 12:30 p.m. We don't go to a fancy restaurant. We go to the college canteen. It smells like samosas and filtered coffee. My friends and I sit at our fixed table. Even if someone else sits there, we look at them until they move. I open my tiffin box. Mom gave me lemon rice and potato fry. Rahul brought parathas. In India, sharing food is a way of showing friendship. We all eat from each other's boxes. While eating, we discuss everything: movies, the new mobile games, and of course, the topper of our class who is already studying for the finals. We call him a bookworm. We laugh, we pull each other's legs, that means we tease each other, and for 45 minutes, we forget all our stress. The afternoon classes are the hardest. It is 2 p.m. The sun is hot, and the fan in the classroom is making a creak, creak sound. It is very easy to fall asleep during the history lecture. The professor's voice sounds like a lullaby. My eyes are getting heavy. I look at Rahul. He is already doodling in his notebook. I try to stay awake by taking notes. Writing helps you focus. Finally, the bell rings at 4 p.m. That sound is like music to my ears. We pack our bags in 2 seconds. I say goodbye to my friends and we promise to chat on WhatsApp later. I reach home by 5 p.m. I am exhausted. My mom gives me a hot cup of tea and some biscuits. This is my me time. I sit on the balcony and just relax. From 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., I try to study. I review what was taught today. I also practice my English by reading a storybook aloud. It helps with my pronunciation. Dinner is at 9 p.m. with the whole family. We talk about our day. Papa tells us about his office, and I tell them about the funny thing that happened in the canteen. By 10:30 p.m., I am back in bed. I scroll through my phone for a few minutes, which I shouldn't, and then I set my alarm for 6:30 a.m. again. As I close my eyes, I feel grateful. Life is busy, but these small moments make it special. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you found some new words today. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite part of the day? Good night and keep practicing your English.